Consider the worst is yet to come, because even if they didn't see any more rain, a lot of the creeks and bayous still haven't crested yet. That's coming in the middle and end of the week. So yeah, there is a big mess down there, obviously. Take a look at the radar. We still are looking at rain falling in the city of Houston and really much of that greater Houston area, including all of Harris County. More tropical downpours. Now, the rain is not quite as heavy as it was coming down late Saturday night into Sunday, but still, this is not helping. And you can see it's a fairly big area of a lot of rain pinwheeling in from the southeast, rotating around Tropical Storm Harvey. Take a look at how much rain has fallen in some areas. Well over 30 inches of rain in South Houston, Pearland, 29 inches. Friendswood, we got an update in Friendswood, near 30 inches of rain. College Station, by the way, is quickly approaching 15 inches of rain. Not the catastrophic flooding in College Station, but enough to shut down Texas A&M for today and tomorrow. So why is Houston flooding like this? They've had some significant floods the past couple of years. Here's a few reasons, kind of an overview. It's only 50 feet above sea level, so it's very low in elevation. Rapid urban sprawl over the past several years. Houston has grown. It's the fourth largest city in this country. A lot of concrete replacing what used to be soil and grassland. Extensive bayou system runs through all throughout the city, and when you overwhelm the bayou system, you get the floods like you see today and this weekend. In fact, Houston leads the nation already before Harvey in flash flood deaths. Here's what I was talking about with bayous that are still forecast to crest. This is Buffalo Bayou, which many of you have already become familiar with all the coverage out of Houston. It's already at a record level. The record is 61 feet. It's at 67 feet, but it's still forecast to crest at 73 feet on Wednesday. That's shattering that 61-foot record. So just incredible amounts of water spilling out over those bayous and into the city. They're also releasing water from several reservoirs nearby, and so that's also creating an increased flood threat for parts of the city of Houston. How much additional rainfall? Maybe 8 inches by tomorrow, and then we go into the end of the week, and we're talking about another possibly 9 to 10 inches of rain in the Houston area. And that means that the grand total, when all is said and done, we think it's going to be somewhere between 40 and 50 inches of rain in southeast Texas, including the city of Houston. And that's a lot of water. Jeff Ray's here to kind of put it all into perspective. How much water is that, Jeff?
Right now, Jeff, as of yesterday, they're saying it equates to about 9 trillion gallons of water. And to put that in perspective, you could cover the entire state of Texas with 2 inches of water with that amount of water. If you took Dallas County and turned it into a lake, just dug a hole the size of Dallas County, you'd have to dig it 46 feet deep, and that would fit 9 trillion gallons of water. Put it in perspective, 9 trillion gallons of water, that equals to the DFW greater area water needs for 2 years. So this is such a significant amount of water. But again, Jeff, that's the estimate as of yesterday. The latest estimates, when it's all said and done, we could get close to 20 trillion gallons of water from Harvey.
Yeah, it's just it's really, you just can't wrap your mind around it, but that was certainly helpful to kind of put it in perspective. It's dry in the Dallas-Fort Worth area right now, and most of North Texas is dry. You go down here to Anderson County. I know you guys have been wet pretty much all weekend. It continues to lightly rain in Palestine and areas just to the south. This is the part of Texas, North Texas, that we have to keep an eye on as Harvey finally moves up to the northeast as we make our way into the end of the week. Palestine, you could pick up an additional 3.5 inches of rain. So our biggest concerns for any type of flooding will be from Athens to Palestine over to Fairfield. But notice that the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we're not forecast to have much more than a few 100ths of an inch of rain between now and then. So the forecast for today here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, mostly cloudy, mid-80s, a 30 to 40% chance of rain over the next couple of days. Again, favoring areas to the east, southeast of the Metroplex. And by the time we get to the weekend, we're dry altogether, and more sunshine will heat us back into the 90s.